Hello guys, today I am going to show you two platforms that will help us make money. They will help independently. What is interdependent? Mean you ask it is when two platforms depend on each other to function and produce results. Well, there's sorts of the meaning to it. But my point is today I am going to show you two platforms that will work together in order for us to make money. It is just a simple 3-step process. I swear. Step 1 is when you download an image. Step 2 is upload the said image, and step 3 is for you to earn money from it. Imagine making money just by uploading certain pictures on this platform right here. Not to mention that this platform is free for all and available worldwide literally. Anyone from around the world can do this method. Regardless if you have a smartphone or a personal computer, it will all work on both. This method, if done right, will be a life changer. This can literally lessen the financial burden that you will have in your life right now. You can pay bills on time, spend time with your family more since you will not be working 24 hours. By the way, you will not be needing any special skills for this. You will not be needing a big social media following or engagement. You will not be selling anything either. All you have to do is follow the steps that I will be showing you in this video. But before we start, welcome to my channel where I teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell. So whenever I upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concern, questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's back to the video to start off. So first thing what you have to do is open your browser. This after that, search in your browser Jolsi. So the first thing link that you will come here in the jolsi.com. Then click here. Then click make money and then earn 300 every day by simply downloading uploading files. Click here. Then click the upload button. Basically, this is a platform that will pay you by sharing your files on their website, and once a client uploaded the upload file, you will get paid not just one but until the end of time literally. How? Because once you upload a file on this platform, your file will be there forever and you will make money every time it is downloaded forever. You want proof that this method is legit? Let's go here to payment proofs to see all the happy users who are able to benefit from this platform. As you can see here, there are the payment proofs of this platform. Not yet convinced? Well, it is going to convince you. Once you will be the one who will make money using this method. By the way, this is still the first platform that I am showing you. I will be providing you another platform where you will download all the needed files to upload on this website and make money off. I also forget to mention that this method is available in all device on your mobile phone or smartphones. You can download this application for free, so the more reason to try out this really easy method to proceed. We are now going to sign up to this platform and I will show you how to do that. Let's just click on here, sign up. After clicking that, you will be redirected to their user registration form, where you will provide them with the needed information for the successful registration, like your username, email, password, and payment information. Now this platform can pay you in many different methods. So here you just need to choose your preferred payment method. After that, the tick on the box right here to declare that you are not a robot trying to subscribe to their platform, but an actual human being just trying to make money with all of that one. Just click on this button to finalize your registration. Now assume that you have your own account. You will have your very own dashboard. On your dashboard, you will click this button in order to select and start uploading your files, the files with you think can make you money in the long run. I mean, you will absolutely get to upload an unlimited number of files for people to download for more chances of earning. Right in line with files to upload, I will be introducing to you a platform that will give us free files to upload. Here on the first platform, you may have heard about this platform because, as you all know, back to jolsi.com, then click here. This platform has been reliable ever since I can remember, and the platform is pixels.com. Now Pixels is a platform that gives out a free quality files. They have over 1 million royalty free photos, illustration and vector graphics, and thousands of free video clips. All images or photos on Pixels are released under Creative Commons, meaning this can be accessed by anyone and it is free for all. So that is the concept of this method. We will upload and download files from Pixels and upload them on Upload, and that is going to make us a lot of money for a long time. But in order for us to truly make money, I am going to show you the basic steps on how you can upload in order to earn money. Now I am on Pixels, and let's search for it keyword or any keyword in line with your preferences. Then when we find the image that we want to share and upload to the first platform, we will just download it by clicking on this button. But to make sure that people will buy your files, you must select or choose high quality photos to spark the interest of your target market. After you download your chosen image or images, you can now go back to first platform and upload them. Here's how you just click this button. This is absolutely as simple as it gets. You just select photos that you think people will download, upload in, then upload and then make money online. Go to desktop, go to download, select Pixels. Overall, this is really great method to be utilizing by anyone. As you can see, it is totally easy and everyone can actually do it. Just make sure to follow the steps that I have been highlighting all throughout the video, and that's it. This is All in 8 Finance. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I